I've been seeing Dr. Bragg for about 6 to 8 months. I have mild sleep apnea and I was using a CPAP, which wasn't working for me. It keeps you from snoring. It keeps like pressure in your throat, which isn't that bad, but if you wake up, it's still forcing air down your throat. But with the oral device, you're just sleeping and it works better. It doesn't wake me up. Cleaning it is a lot easier. I like Dr. Bragg. She's specifically trained for this particular option. It's really helpful to have somebody that knows what she's doing. They're super professional, first and foremost. They're just friendly people you like to talk to. I mean, you get to know